Realme embodies the constant pursuit of greater. For the GT2 Pro, the experience you get from the display is truly greater than you see. Why just stare at a screen when you can lose yourself in a new reality? With the 2K Super AMOLED display, you can experience visuals more true to life. But what's a great display without great color? Enjoy the 1 billion color display with professional grade color accuracy, a lifelike color expression right here. Can it also be smart? Powered by the latest LTPO 2.0 technology, it intelligently selects the optimal refresh rate anywhere from 1 Hz to 120 Hz, ensuring a smoother display with outstanding energy efficiency. This is what a greater display is meant to be. Say hello to the 2K Super Reality display on the GT2 Pro. It's greater than you see.